guys. My cousin's gonna do a Bean Boozled challenge. And every time he gets a bad one, he's gonna shoot me with a Nerf gun.
Every time I get a good one.
Okay, every time he gets a good one.
That happens.
Probably. Okay, I'll spin
No,
it.
if I don't sit it out. If I eat the thing.
Okay.
I'm only using a little bit of package. Lime or lawn
Lime
clippings?
or lawn clippings? That one. It's not really that bad. Okay, there we go. Is it lime?
Hold on.
Lawn clippings?
That's dry.
Okay, so I don't have to get shot. Yay.
I don't have that.
Okay, he doesn't have that. Let's spin it again. Barf, strawberry banana smoothie, or
I don't have
dead
one of those.
fish? Okay, guys, right there. Oh, no, you don't.
That's for moldy.
Peach or barf?
I don't have that one.
Yes, you do. Oh, you don't.
Don't own that one.
Caramel, corn, or moldy cheese?
Oh gosh.
Here we go.
Down the hatch.
Wow. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna go far away. Okay, so he's gonna shoot me with that gun. That was faster than I expected. Okay.
That's good. That's the good one.
This. Okay.
At first, you think it's a bad flavor, and then you figure out it's chill.
Okay, spin again.
Awesome. I do want a Roly Rush. Don't own that one. I only have coconut and spoiled milk,
Or Tutti Frutti, or
butter popcorn,
Stinky Salt.
or Tutti Frutti and Stinky Salt.
Go. Hold on.
I'm gonna gross out.
Hold on.